In a quaint garden there grew a field of sunflowers. Among them there was one particular sunflower named Sunny, who stood taller and brighter than all the rest. Sunny was admired for not only her vibrant appearance, but also her positive outlook on life. One summer day, a group of young children came to the garden. They marveled at the tall, radiant sunflowers and asked, "Sunny, how do you always look so bright and happy?" Sunny smiled and replied, "It's simple. I follow the sun." The children were curious and asked, "What do you mean, follow the sun?" Sunny explained, "I start my day facing the rising sun in the east. As the day goes on, I turn to keep facing the sun, absorbing its warmth and light. I embrace each moment as it comes and focus on the positive. When night falls, I'm content and ready for a new day." The children, inspired by Sunny's wisdom, decided to follow her example. They made a pact to embrace each day with positivity and to look for the bright side of every situation. Over time, the children's outlook on life changed. They faced challenges with optimism, found solutions to problems, and their positivity began to spread to their friends and families. One day, as the children visited the garden, they noticed that Sunny had lost some of her petals and was no longer as tall. They asked, "Sunny, you don't look as radiant as before. What happened?" Sunny replied, "It's a part of life. Just like you, I age and face challenges. But what's important is the beauty and joy I bring each day, even in my later years." The children realized that beauty was not just about appearance, but also about the positive impact they had on the world. They continued to live their lives with optimism, spreading happiness to those around them. As time passed, Sunny's seeds spread, and new sunflowers grew in the garden, carrying on the lesson of positivity and optimism for generations to come. The moral of this story is that embracing each day with a positive outlook can brighten not only our lives, but also the lives of those around us. Just as Sunny faced the sun to absorb its warmth and light, we can focus on the positive aspects of life and bring joy and inspiration to others, leaving a lasting legacy of happiness.